How to go live in close friends on Instagram. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and go live in close friends on Instagram. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Instagram application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now keep in mind that there isn't a direct way on Instagram to share your live footages and videos only with your close friends. Instead, there is another feature where it is basically called a practice mode, and you can go into practice mode and invite the people whom you want to watch your live session. So to do that, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and go to the option called live over here. Once you go to live, if you basically wanted to go live, then you could just tap on this live button and all of your followers would get notified. But for a private live session, you just have to tap on the I button which you see on the left hand side of the toolbar. So just tap on it, and currently you can see public, but we will go into practice mode. You can see go live by yourself or with others to practice. Nobody will be notified, and you can change the audience when you're ready. So just tap on the set audience button. Now what we can do is we can just go ahead and then try to go live. It will check our connection. And once we are live with practice mode on Instagram, what we will do is you'll be able to see all of these options. Now currently we are in practice mode, as you can see. You can tap on this little invite button over here to invite your close friends whom you want to watch this live with. And once you invite those close friends, basically you'll be only able to let them know that you're currently live on Instagram. But keep in mind that there isn't a direct way to share it only with close friends, but you can do invite private people over here. And if you want to exit it, all you have to do is tap on the cross icon on the top right, tap on end video over here, and you can go ahead and discard the media as well. And this is simply how you can go live in close friends on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.